Hello. In the release of this month, we are introducing email tags. Now, what are email tags? Using this feature, you can tag or, in other words, link any document with your emails. Before using this feature, you must configure send mail settings for your profile. You can find the video on how to configure email settings in the description box below. Let's take a look. Log in to your dashboard. Click on your profile name and select Mail. Choose any existing email either from inbox, sent or draft. Then choose multiple document number against the tag with field. And that's it. The document is now tagged with this email. So go ahead and make use of this feature and let us know your experience. For more help, you can generate a ticket from your help desk.